name is Opio.
Thank you.
My name is Owen by MP Kilifi North.
Yeah, my name is Robert Mbuye, MP Kadhiani.
My name is Rehab Mukami, County MP, Nyeri, and I hear you served in Nyeri.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chair. My name is George Gitonga Murugara, MP Tharaka Nithi County. No idea whether you actually went there.
Thank you.
Honorable Machogo, you know me. Honorable Kosi, yes. MP Poko South.
Thank you.
Abdul Rahim Daud, MP for North Imenti, and I don't have a recollection of seeing you in Meru.
Honorable Mishimboko, MP Likoni.
Good afternoon, Caleb Amisi, MP Sabot.
Thank you.
Dido Raso, MP Saku.
Abdi Shurie, MP Balambala.
Mmase Mary, MP Teso South. No interest to declare.
Naisula Lesuda, MP Samburu West.
Thank you.
Thank you. We have also the clerk of the National Assembly, represented by Madam Florence. You'll introduce your team.
Sitting in for the clerk, Florence Atenyo Abonyo, Director, Audit, Appropriations and other select committees. With me is Deputy Director, Legal Services, Mr. Michael Karuru to my left, and behind him is a team of officers in the committee secretariat.
Bwana Machogu, I'll ask you a few questions, and as we start, you can see the clock. We want to engage you in 90 minutes, so we want the prudent use of time. Questions, we insist, must be precise and concise. The answers should not be any different, should also be concise and precise. Don't volunteer what you have not been asked, and don't withhold what has been asked, so that we can make good progress. I'll ask you a few issues regarding your documentation. Have you sent us your clearance with the tax obligations to the state? That's KRA, tax compliance.
Yes, Honorable Chairman.
And when we finish the tabulation, if you have sent us copies, the clerks will look at the originals in your possession. Clearance with the Higher Education Loans Board.
Yes, Honorable Chairman.
Clearance with the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission.
Yes, Honorable Chairman.
Certificate of Good Conduct from the DCI.
Yes, Honorable Chairman.
Have you ever been charged in a court of law and convicted of an offense?
No, Honorable Chairman.
Have you ever been adversely mentioned in any investigative report of a parliamentary committee?
No, Honorable Chairman.
Or commission? Are you a dual citizen of any sovereign apart from being a citizen of Kenya?
No, I'm under Kenyan.
You will, apart from your documents, also show the clerks your original identity card. At a personal level, what is your financial net worth?
590 million. Honorable Chairman.
How is it made up?
I have buildings in Nairobi, 3 buildings in Eastlands, specifically Chigo Road. I have another building in Pangan area. I have a building, an apartment in Mirimani. I have an apartment at Kirereswa and another one at near Yaya Center. Chairman, I also have an apartment in Mombasa, Sansu area. I also have apartments at Ngong. I also have a piece of land which is rightly over quarter-acre where there's a kapasa along Ngong Road. I also own a plot. Is not built yet in Kisii town. I also have 30 acres of land in Kisii. is 590. I own vehicles. I own a Mercedes-Benz and a V8. Yes.
They're all within the 590 million?
Yes, Honorable Chairman.
Okay. Now we'll open the conversation with you by starting with yourself. 10 minutes or less. Tell us your story.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chairman, plus the honorable members for this wonderful opportunity. I'm Ezekiel Machogo Mbaki. Mbaki is a Christian, married with 5 adult children. I was born in Kisii, and I went to a primary school in Kisii before proceeding to Nduru Secondary School, which is within Kisii County. And upon successfully completing my Form 4 O-levels, I went to Agoro Sare High School, which is in Noma Bay County. In Noma Bay, in Agoro Sare, I did my A-levels before getting admitted to the University of Nairobi in the year 1976, and I did complete my Bachelor of Arts degree in 1979. And after completing my degree in the University of Nairobi, I was employed as a civil servant, and specifically as a district officer. I was posted to Nyeri, Central Province, and then from there I was posted to Nyandarua. I worked in Nyandarua DC's office, and then after that I was transferred to Tetu Division in Nyeri District. That time they were known as districts, Honorable Chairman, currently known as counties. After that again I was transferred back to Nyandarua, Northern Division, where again I worked until the time when I was transferred to Kiambu, Kikuyu Division. I worked in Kikuyu Division, and then I was also transferred to Kirinyaga in a division known as Gichugu. After that, Honorable Chairman, I was again transferred back to Kikuyu, and after Kikuyu, I was transferred to the Greater Rift Valley, where I worked in the Provincial Commissioner's Office, and then I worked as District Officer 1, Nandi District, and then from Nandi, I was transferred to Naivasha Sub-District. After Naivasha, Honorable Chairman and Honorable Members, I was promoted to the rank of a District Commissioner, Nyandarua District. So again, I went back to Nyandarua as District Commissioner. I served in Nyandarua as District Commissioner for 7 years before again I was transferred in the same capacity as District Commissioner Busia. After Busia, I was transferred to Deputy Provincial Commissioner Coast Province. After Coast Province, again, I was transferred to Wajir District, and after which I was also transferred to central government. In the central government, I served in many ministries, among them Public Service Commission. I also served in Northern Kenya and the other arid lands. I served in the then Means of Commerce, Tourism, and East African Affairs as Senior Deputy Secretary. And finally, I served as Senior Deputy Secretary, Means of Trade, before retiring in October 2016. After that, Honorable Chairman and Honorable Members, the good people of Nyaribari Masaba gave me an opportunity to serve them as their member of Parliament, which I served from 2017 up to 2022. I would like to inform the members and the Honorable Chair that